In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own mock-up template so that you are able to take one photo of a candle with a blank label and put all your scents on that candle.
So once you have Photoshop open, you're just going to click on New File and then Create. Then you're going to click Import Image and then just import your image that you have taken a picture of that you are going to use as your template with a blank label. And then just drag it to fit the page and click Done. The next thing you're going to do is right click where it says background here and then just click on Delete Layer. Come over to the left and click on the rectangle tool. Drag a very rough box around your image. You are going to need to make this into a smart image. So right click right here, click Convert to Smart Object. This is going to allow us to drag it around a little bit more in some different ways. So then I'm going to click Control and T. And then I'm going to right click and hit Distort. And then I'm going to drag these corners exactly to where the corners are in my image. And once I'm done with that, I am going, actually this one needs to be a little bit more. I'm going to right click again and hit Warp. Now this is where it's a little bit more challenging. We're going to try to outline this label. And definitely take your time when you're doing this and make sure that you have your corners exactly where you want them as much as possible before you do the warp. See, that one I didn't quite get, but it'll just make it easier. And then I'm just making sure my sides are all good. That one's pretty okay. And then over here, that looks pretty good. And then where you see these panes in the center, you want that to follow the edges of your image because this is where your text is going to go. And if you leave it just as it is, your text is just going to look flat and it won't actually look like it follows your image. Now, if you're not very good at art like me, this step could be kind of hard for you, but it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just trying to get as close as we can. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. That looks pretty good. Move this down just a tiny bit there. That's looking pretty good. So basically I'm just trying to outline that whole image. And then when you're done, this part should be fine like that. Because where these blue outlines are, the blue lines, that's where the edge of your image is. And when you're done, just click Done. Now we're going to make a copy of our background here. So come over to where you have your original image, and then you're going to click Control J. Now you're going to drag that copy all the way to the top above your rectangle. And then you're going to click Alt, and then you'll see this little down arrow, and then click that. Now, once you have it here, you're going to double click into your rectangle, come up to the top, click on where it says Fill, and then we're going to take off the color. And now from here, you can just drop your text from Canva right into the box. Click Done. And now Control S. What you just did is save it into your image. So now when you go back over here, you can just click on, there we go, click on right up here at the top, and you'll see it pop right up. Now, isn't that cool? Now, if you want to do another scent, you can just double click on your rectangle again, the thumbnail for it, and then hide the one that you did, click on your rectangle, and then drag another image on there, click done, and then you've got a Control S just like you did on the last one. Come back over here, and voila. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I was actually screen recording because I've never done this before, but I wanted you to see me while I was doing this. I'm in no way a graphic designer. I just learned how to do this today. I taught myself just playing around in Photoshop, and I don't even have Photoshop. I just have a free trial, but you can get one at like adobe.com. I want to say you can get a free trial to Photoshop, and that's how I learned how to do this. But it's super cool. You can take any image and change out your candle label right on that image. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. I'm sending all of you peace, love, and light, and I'm wishing all of you happy candle making.